in the porn site.
What's up, my niggas on my channel? Today we back with another reaction. So we finna do something different. Back. So today we finna do another reaction. You feel me? This time we finna react to AANG versus KORRA, and we finna react to Akaza versus Rengoku. But they're cats. You're probably confused on what that means. Dillongoo, I think that's how you say his name right here. I seen his animation, one of his animations for One Punch Man a long time ago. While I was over here watching Death Battle, I thought of this. And I was like, his cat animations is fire. So we're finna react to it. And I know y'all niggas gonna like it. So I would advise you niggas to come watch it. It's on his channel. And support it. Now, let's get into it. First one, AANG versus KORRA. I got AANG winning. Just because. Okay, they're going back and forth, but we gonna let that slide. Chapter 1, book, forget it. AANG versus KORRA, let's go. Look at my nigga AANG. Look at my nigga AANG. Look at my nigga AANG. She rushed him. Why would you do that? Let's go, AANG. Let's go, AANG. Why don't you rush my nigga AANG, KORRA? You ain't built like that. You ain't built like that. Easy. Easy, AANG. Yeah. 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 Yeah, AANG. Yeah, oh, okay. Okay. Avatar state? Not yet, right? Oh. AANG built different. AANG is built different. Of course, these two niggas never lived the same time period, but this is the only way we go out and see these two niggas fight. And I got AANG winning regardless. Blink. Man! He saved her anyway. No, he didn't. I'll take it back. No, he didn't. Well, technically, he was raided. He was raided too anyway. Easy, AANG. Easy, AANG. Man, what? Damn. He got a mark on his... Was that mark on his back already? No mind. Big AANG. Victory! Big AANG! Let's go! Let's go! Big AANG! This is what I like to see! This is what I like to see! Yes! Yes, AANG! Yes! Yes, AANG! Yes! Throw it at her! She's blocking it with water. Yeah, okay, that's all you got. She got fire too, but shut up. Did you really just try my nigga AANG like that? Like, he not just going... Look what you did in your eyes. She getting mad. AANG is calm. He's chilling. It's not new to him. He she touched. Okay, AANG, fight back, nigga. AANG, fight back, nigga. She trying to go crazy. AANG. He calm, just looking. Is he scared? No, you're not. He's AANG. Oh. Okay. Makes sense. Alright. Technically nobody won that. Moving on to the next one. This animation is by the same guy, Dillongoo. Shouts out to him. This was before the actual movie came out. So he based this off the anime. Not the anime. The manga. He based this off the manga. Alright? Not the anime. So if there's any differences, that's why. Okay, go crazy. We still know how it ended though, but look at that nigga Akaza. He look like a fire cat though. fire. Akaza cat. Akaza's a cat. They don't look that bad. You know, it's kind of adorable. Until you realize who it is. It's Akaza. But Akaza's a cat, not that bad. Meow! 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 Ah, it's so cute. I think you know that they. Ooh! Animation clean already. Animation clean already. Animation clean already. Not into the train though. Okay, I see some differences. I see some differences. I see some differences. I see some different. Okay, I see differences. I see differences. Blink. Ooh, okay, Akaza. Okay, Rengoku. Okay, Rengoku. So it means to be alive. Let him know. Please. Yeah. Oh, it was more than one. Hey, I ain't built like that. This is new to me. So how did he die, and how did he die this time? Ah, he just missed by this block. Ah, it was so close. You were close. Yes, sir. Oh, this animation is fire, bro. I'm telling you. Bro, this animation is fire, bro. I'm telling you. This ultimate art. This animation is fire, bro. I'm telling you. Fire. Go at him, go. What if we go? Night boom. Purgatory. Annihilation time. And sadly, Rengoku didn't win this. No. No. Through his arm. Through his arm. And he landed close, but even as cats, it still hurt. Fire animation though, I love it. Okay, this is the part where his mom comes up. We don't really gotta see that. Wait, I lied. It's more to it. It's more to it. I lied. It's more to it. It's more to it. My bad. My bad. My bad. It's ready to get good. Bro, this is so adorable. I would watch every fight like this. Like if he did some Dragon Ball. Okay, go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. Ah, don't break me, cut it. No. No. Stop it. Stop it. That nigga a fish? No. I mean, did they help? Did they help? We ready to see. Cause I feel as though I haven't seen the movie, but last time I checked, that didn't look like a fish. What? Yeah, they couldn't even do nothing about that. Couldn't even do nothing about that. And Tundra threw that bit and he hit him right in the blink. Even as a cat, it still hurt. We're gonna end it here, bro. I don't want to see him doing it. I might. We gonna end it on that. Hey, animation fire. If you didn't watch Mugen Train by now, that was a big spoil. I'm sorry. That movie came out like last year or beginning of this year. Should have seen it. But we gonna end it here, bro. I'm going up on both channels. I just wanted to look at some anime animations because I ain't gonna lie to you. They fire. These are fire, bro. Ain't that much to say. I usually don't know what to say in these reactions. I hate drawing it out. I'll react. I get it done. You feel me? Probably gonna go play a game. I don't know. What I do know is I'll see you on the next video.